What's up, YouTube? It's Jasmine Jazzy B. Listen, I know everybody has been waiting for this water wave update. Guess what? It's here, okay? So y'all need to stay tuned and check this video out, okay guys? So 4 months ago I did an unboxing video and I unboxed Royal Impressions water wave bundles. I ordered 20 inches, 22 inches, and 24 inches, and I unboxed them and I showed you guys how it looked. I gave you guys a little unboxing review. Well, I'm back with the video and I'm going to show you guys, you know, the finishing looks and how basically the bundles turned out. And just to let you know, these are not the water wave bundles. These are clip-ins, and this is from the beauty supply store, okay? So these are not the water wave bundles. I'm going to show you the water wave bundles and the finishing. Okay guys, so here's the first picture of the finishing looks of the water wave bundles installed. And as you can see, I did the Ivy flip over method, and I will definitely put that in the description below so you guys can watch videos or tutorials on how to do the Ivy flip over method. Really cool, really great method, because you can kind of flip the hair whichever way when you install it. So the flip over method is the method I used in this install method. And yeah, look how nice. I think it looked really well. It looked really nice. All right, and here's the second picture, and this is how it looks. A different picture. I had like left my little baby hairs out in the front and styled my baby hairs, as you can see. And yeah, and the water wave bundles are in 20 inches, 22 inches, and 24 inches. So this is 3 bundles that you see in the picture. And yeah, that's how it looks. I will advise you, if you want a more full and more voluptuous and full and, you know, fuller look, to get more than 3 bundles. I only ordered 3 bundles, 20, 22 inches, 24 inches. If you want a more full look, I will definitely advise you to order more bundles, because that's the basically only downside to this install. I'm like, I should have ordered more bundles. I also have another picture. So because I literally did not like do a video when I installed this hair, I literally only have pictures for you guys, but you guys have really been asking me for the update. So I'm like, I do want you guys to be able to see the finishing looks and, you know, let you guys know how the hair held up and, you know, all the details about the hair. So here's another picture, and yeah, so 3 bundles, like I said. For a more fuller look, I would advise you to order more bundles so you can get a more, you know, fuller look. As I mentioned before, I did the Ivy flip over method. I will put the Ivy flip over method video in the description below, and you can see Ivy herself actually do the flip over method. It's amazing, a really great method. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the hair. So I still have the hair. I haven't installed it again, so I only installed the hair one time, and as you can see, the pictures only installed it one time. This is how the hair is looking. So it still looks good, even though I only installed it once. I can definitely use this hair again, and I definitely will use this hair again, but this is how it's looking. And I forgot to mention, I dyed the hair jet black, but I used the boiling water method, which I will highly recommend if you do want to dye the hair jet black, to use the boiling water method. Don't apply the hair, well, don't apply the dye on the hair straight out the bottle. Like, boil your water, pour the dye in there, and then put the bundles into the boiling water and kind of like let it do its thing. Because I find that when I do apply the dye straight to the hair, it ruins my bundles. So if you don't want to ruin your bundles and you want to dye your hair jet black like I did, I will advise you to do the boiling water method. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. It's still holding up. I will definitely use this hair again and probably order like 2 more bundles to go along with these bundles. But the hair did hold up good. When I did install the hair, I only had the hair in for about a week or 2, so I didn't have the hair in that long. My overall opinion about this hair is that it was pretty good hair. I will definitely order from that vendor again, Royal Impressions. I will definitely order from them again, Water Wave bundles. It does shed, but like, what hair doesn't shed? It's not like, it doesn't extremely shed like, oh my god, it's hair everywhere, but it does shed. And it's true to length. So as you can see in the picture, the Water Wave 20, 22 inch, 24 inch is definitely true to length. I was loving the length. So it's true to length. It does shed a little bit. I would recommend buying these Water Wave bundles. Okay, so I will be putting the link in the description below to these Water Wave bundles, and I will put the link in the description below to my unboxing of these bundles, and I will also put pictures at the end of the video so you can see and get a good look at the finishing result of these Water Wave bundles. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and let me know what you think about the pictures I've showed you of the Water Wave bundles, and are you thinking about purchasing these bundles from Royal Impressions on Amazon? Let me know. That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was useful. I know everybody was asking me for an update for the Water Wave bundles. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I answered all of your questions, and enjoy the pictures at the end of the video, and take care and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.